been a while, but today we're gonna do an oil change on a 1996 Corvette. So C4, I've got what I have here is just regular ramps right here. Then I have those curb ramps that you guys need. So we got oil, 5W30. This is the high performance oil, and I get the one for high mileage. It's only 50,000 miles the car. However, I'm gonna get the high mileage anyway. Oil filter. So it's a little bit tight for the wrench set, so what I got is right here, the 15mm wrench, and I'm gonna try to set up the iPhone right now, and there's the oil filter right there. So what we'll do is get the drain plug loosened first right there, and then let the oil drain. Then we're gonna get the oil filter down. To make sure the old oil filter has the gasket still on it. Otherwise, if that gasket is not on the old oil filter, the gasket is still up there. You gotta get it off. Okay. Now the new oil filter has oil on the gasket. We're going to reinstall this. So, twist it up. Make sure it don't cross thread very nicely. And just hand tight. And I've got the magnets right there. I'm gonna put some, oh, they're very strong magnets. Ooh, okay. We're gonna put those magnets back on the oil filter. Right there. That's gonna catch stuff. Okay. Make sure it's not cross-threaded either. That'll be a problem. Get a wrench. Tighten this up. Don't go crazy, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna clean up my tools real quick, okay? And then we're gonna fill up the oil. change is done. Everything is dry and neat. I drove off just as I drove on those ramps, and that works out great. So peace. See you guys. Now we're back in the garage. Let's go get a reading. Awesome. All right. Bye. See you in the next video.